Mistplay, Giraffe, and Bingo Cash use completely different reward systems, so the fastest app depends on how you earn, rather than the app's name. Comparing them directly only makes sense if you understand how each one pays. By the end of this video, you'll know how each app works, which one is generally faster for different types of users, and how to choose the right option for your goals. Start with Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for playing eligible mobile games and completing tracked gameplay. You earn points that can later be redeemed for available rewards inside the app. Your earnings depend on the games available in your region, how long you play, and whether you've completed eligible milestones. If you're already planning to spend time playing mobile games, Mistplay is designed around that style of earning. Now compare that with Giraffe. Giraffe also focuses on rewarding users for trying and playing mobile games. Like Mistplay, available games and offers can change over time, and rewards depend on completing the activities required by each offer. If one app doesn't have games you're interested in, the other may have a different selection, making it worth checking both instead of assuming one is always better. Bingo Cash works differently. Instead of paying users simply for playing games, Bingo Cash centers on competitive bingo gameplay. Depending on the game mode, players may compete for cash prizes rather than earning rewards through a points system. That means your experience depends on your skill, available contests, and whether those contests are offered in your location. It's a very different model from reward apps like Mistplay and Giraffe. So which one pays the fastest? If your goal is earning rewards through regular mobile gameplay, Mistplay and Giraffe are the closer comparison because they're built around completing game-related activities. If your goal is competing in skill-based bingo contests where available, Bingo Cash serves a different purpose altogether. The fastest option depends on which earning model matches how you actually want to use the app. Before installing any of them, review the current offers, available games, and redemption options inside each app. Those details change over time and can affect how quickly you reach your first reward. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay and Giraffe reward eligible gameplay. Bingo Cash focuses on competitive bingo, and the fastest paying option depends on the earning system that fits your playstyle. If this comparison helped, subscribe for more app reviews, comparisons, and reward app troubleshooting guides.